Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I thought that we could go through this knitting planner together. I just got this at Hobby Lobby and I used my 40% off coupon. So I'm hoping that it's kind of cool. I'm just now noticing that it looks like it was retaped, so that's kind of scary. I hate that because I never know what other people have done. So let's hope that it's not like anything's taken out or anything like that, because that would be a shame. And I would just have to take it back. Okay, so it is very flimsy. It's not at all like a regular planner, and it has these little round rings, which, you know, is fine for what it is. But it does have a plasticky kind of a cover. And let's see, so there are cute stickers here, knitting, and all of this is knitting. They did have a crochet one too, so I guess knit heaven, love this important reminder, don't forget, knit today, I love knitting, shh, I'm counting, all you knit is love, best day ever. So those are cute, and I guess I should make sure that there's supposed to be 5 sticker sheets. So 1, 2, these are really cute, 3, those are cute too, knit till you drop, 4, and 5. So all of those are here. Now I'm not planning on using this planner as a planner. What I was thinking it would be nice to use for would be to keep track of some of my projects and also to have some ideas of projects to do. So that's what I'm kind of hoping to do with this. 3 clear color pockets and 1 zipper page. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 zipper page. These are kind of nice. I like how they have 4 individual slots so that I can put a picture of the projects that I'm working on, or if I want to remember what a stitch looks like or something like that, which is something I do like to know. So it has this knitting planner belongs to, and it has the 18, 19, and 20 calendars. That's really cute. I like that. All the little knitting needles. And here are some tools. This is just a reference section. And a knit chart symbols. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that. It's kind of like shorthand for knitting. Huh, that's neat to know. And then here are projects to do. If you accomplish only one thing today, make sure it involves yarn. That's cute. So here's a work in progress list. That's kind of nice. And this looks like it has room for you to actually like make a project. It's got little boxes, and it's what's this paper called? Graph paper. And then so here's the work in progress list, and then here's a knitting project, inspiration, swatch, project information, needle and yarn, gift or client, and then to do or notes. And then there's another graph paper. So there's a few of those pages, it looks like. That's kind of neat. I kind of like that. And then here's an inventory list. So you can keep track of your tools, your needles. I don't know what DP means, and circular. So your circular needles, your double pointed needles, and then your regular needles. And accessories I own, so you can keep track of those. Here's a swatch of different yarns. That's kind of nice. And there's several of those. Might even be cool because, like, if you buy one brand but different colors, you could put different swatches up here and put, you know, more than one here so that you can have enough, because I know I have a ton of yarn. That's really cute. January, it says. And then it's not dated, so you can date it if you want to. Like I said, I'm not going to use this necessarily as a planner. I wanted it for more of the other stuff. Those are cute. And then February, so all of them are going to be the same. Let me just show you this. I love this. I think that's adorable. April. May. And it was supposed to be like a project, a 12 monthly project, so I'm hoping that we get to, unless I'm missing something where the projects are. June. July. I really like those too. August. September. October. November. And December. Okay, well now I'm a little bit worried that they took out the whole section on, it says projects, and it has a place for you to keep your projects. Inventory. Now, did I mess up? Did it not supposed to have that? 12 monthly projects. Calendar at a glance, monthly and weekly calendars, glossary, knitting terms, standards and measurements, project planner pages, sketches section, inventory section, swatch organizing, 5 sticker sheets. Maybe it doesn't have the projects, but I would expect it. It says 12 monthly projects. So wouldn't that lead you to believe that you would get the projects for each month? But it is not looking like I have the projects, which is part of the reason why I thought that this would be worth the money. Because I thought that we would get, like, here's January's project and here's how to make it. Unless someone took that section out, or I just misunderstood it and misread it. If any of you guys have this, let me know, and let me know if this is the way that it works. I mean, I still like some of it, but I really bought this because I wanted the projects too. I mean, I really, because this whole monthly sections, I really won't use. I like the inventory, I like the reference list, I like these, the knitting projects that you're working on, but I don't need another planner, like a monthly planner. So, goodness gracious, I'm a little disappointed. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might, well, I am sure. If it's not supposed to have that, then I don't really need this, and I will take it back. I like the stickers. I like all of the fun stuff, but for, I think it was $23 after my 40% off. I mean, it's just 5 sheets of stickers, and that's crazy. So yeah, I'm not real sure I'm digging on this. I mean, gosh, I hate it because I like it, and I think it's neat, and I think it's a great way to keep some of your projects organized, but I could do that on my own and figure out some cute things to do for a lot less than what I spent on this, especially since the projects aren't included. I'm really bummed. Okay, well, just so you guys know, that's what I got. I will let you know if I'm wrong, or if it, if it was supposed to come with it and it didn't. I will be sure to tell you guys. But I have a feeling that this is it, because everything that's in here is in here. So, yeah, not exactly what I expected. I expected to have the monthly projects. So, I mean, I want to know how to make these things. They're super cute. And all of these things that they showed you. Oh, here it goes. All patterns available on simplicity.com. So maybe I'll check that out. Maybe if they're free, it will be all right. Okay, so that makes me feel a little better. We'll see what happens. Well, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll let you know if I am using this or not. but I thought I would bring you along just for the unboxing, just so you could see it, just because I didn't know what it was about either. So thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.